Hi guys! So for today's video, sasabihin ko lang sa inyo kung ano ba si Kia Sonet manual transmission and ano ba yung kaibahan niya kay automatic transmission na LX. So makikita nyo guys na si Kia Sonet manual transmission ay meron siyang steel mags covered with hubcaps. Ibig sabihin guys, hindi siya alloy wheels, no? Pero kung titingnan nyo naman, hindi nyo halos makikita yung diferensya, no? Actually, hindi naman siya mukhang hubcap lang. Okay? Na maganda naman siyang tingnan. Okay? So, isa yan sa mga differences ni LX automatic at saka ni LX manual. So, si LX manual din guys ay merong 6-speed manual gear lever. So, ibig sabihin, kung makikita nyo dyan, yung reverse niya is nandun sa pinaka, kung nasa driver side kayo, nasa papunta sa inyo. And then, hanggang 6 yan. Okay? So, yung 6 is yung pinaka dulo na cambio na. So kung familiar kayo sa Hyundai Accent, ganyan yung layout ng kanilang gear lever na 6-speed. So sa ground clearance naman guys, lahat naman ng variants ng Kia Sonet ay magkakaparehas 205mm. Pwedeng-pwede na yan sa mga lubakan. So makikita nyo naman guys dito is yung chart na pinapakita na si lahat ng variants actually ay front and rear brakes parehas disc. Saan kayo nakakita niyan guys? Sa ganyang price point lahat yan disc brake, front and rear brakes. Okay? And then next si LX manual at saka si LX automatics halogen pa lang yung kanilang light, and then wala silang fog light, and then matte black yung kanilang radiator grille. Actually guys, para sa akin hindi na siya parang deal breaker kasi alam niyo yun sa specs na makikita nyo dito kay LX manual transmission, tingnan nyo naman guys, sulit na sulit na. Okay, for 758,000 pesos, ito na yung makikita nyo guys. So ang kinaibahan lang talaga, wala siyang alloy wheels, and of course yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, manual transmission siya. Yung quality ng pagka-plastic niya is sturdy. It's on the shall we say more expensive side. It doesn't really feel that cheap. Yung likod niya guys ng LX manual transmission is just the same. Makikita nyo meron siyang bolstering, yung seats niya is just very comfortable to sit in, and then meron siya guys, ayan air vent, same ng LX automatic transmission, and then meron pa siyang charging port sa likod, tapos meron pa siyang mga alam niyo yung mga bagay na hindi nyo halos ini-expect sa ganitong price point, di ba? Saan pa kayo guys? Napakaganda nitong LX manual transmission. So ayan guys, the back part is just the same, just as spacious, and meron siyang mga, tingnan nyo naman, napaka-porma guys, no? Yan si LX manual transmission. So again guys, ang pinagkaiba lang nila ni LX automatic transmission is yun nga ang hubcap at saka yung transmission. It also has reverse camera, itong si LX manual transmission, and then the boot space is very very large. Makikita nyo, ayan diba? Napakalalim. Marami kayong may lalagay dyan ng mga bagahe. And then the spare tire is not donut, yan ay full size na steel. Ayun. So ayan guys, napakasulit nito ni Kia Sonet. For 758,000 pesos, you would be able to have this amazing, very much amazing car, so to speak. Ayan, meron pa siyang lagay ng salamin, 'di ba? Ng eyeglasses or sunglasses kapag mainit ang panahon. And then meron siyang dome lights, 'di ba? Yan. So meron siyang driver side vanity mirror, okay? And then passenger side vanity mirror as well. Napakaganda guys, okay? For 758,000, mas magandang bumili ka na nito kaysa sa kotse. Okay? So this is even cheaper. Even less expensive than the Vios, but the quality and the value that you'd get is, it far exceeds yung makukuha nyo sa isang typical na sedan or na kotse. So ayan yung mga features niya guys. Meron siyang na-adjust yung manibela, and then yan yung mga ports, USB 12 volt socket, and then yung charging port. Ayan, lagay ng salamin. Sorry, ng cellphone. And then, yung bolstering ng seats is para ka talagang hinahag. So, this is the Kia Sonet LX. Diba? Saan ka pa? So, guys, yun nga, ulitin ko lang. Kung nakapanood na kayo ng video ko about sa LX, the main difference is just the steel mags and the gear lever. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you on our next videos. Bye.